Take control of your business experience with our comprehensive settings module. Fine-tune every aspect to match your company's unique needs and preferences. Maintain accurate company and business details. Update your company name, logo, business address, and other relevant information to ensure a professional online presence. Personalize your app experience. Update your profile settings for a personalized user experience, control notification preferences, and choose your preferred currency for financial transactions. Manage finance securely. Set up payment credentials for processing transactions, configure finance settings for accurate reporting, and define tax rules to ensure compliance. Fine-tune settings for specific modules. Customize settings for ticketing systems, project management tools, attendance tracking, leave management processes, and other functionalities based on your specific business needs. Tailor data collection and manage user access. Create custom fields to capture specific data relevant to your business and assign user roles with appropriate permissions for a secure and efficient workflow. Optimize communication and collaboration. Manage notification settings for messages, leads, and tasks, keeping teams informed and facilitating seamless collaboration. Prioritize security and personalize your user experience. Implement robust security settings to protect your data and personalize the system theme to create a visually appealing and user-friendly environment. Leverage integrations and advanced options. Connect the system with your Google Calendar for seamless event management and explore advanced options like custom link settings for further customization. Manage assets efficiently. Configure settings related to asset management, such as tracking physical assets and optimizing resource utilization. Simplify payroll and purchase processes. Configure settings related to payroll processing and purchasing procedures to streamline these critical functions. Enhance your recruitment and billing processes. Configure settings specific to recruitment and billing functionalities for optimized talent acquisition and financial management.